All right, so in this video, we're going to be breaking down how to actually take your vibe coded website and connect it to your actual CRM system. Because frankly, there's loads and loads of vibe coded websites out there, but none of them actually work. None of them do the thing that you need them to do. So we're going to be using a tool called createanything.com, which is fantastic. You can use the link below to basically sign up. Now, the cool thing about this platform is that you can connect to Gemini 3 and you can also get GPT 5.2, but ultimately you can build a multi-page website pretty simply using natural language, provided you have the copywriting ready. So I've gone ahead and I've found my reference image, and my starting prompt was create a homepage for my website. Start with something that looks like this, and that's obviously the style reference. I then ask it to follow this page structure. And again, if you want to see how we actually use this structure, we have another video on this which goes into this in detail. And then I basically provide all of my website copy for the landing page. So all of the buttons are written, the subheadline, the headline is all written before I start prompting. Now, it's very important to do that ultimately, because otherwise, you're just going to leave things to the wind to ultimately figure out for you. Okay, so I've got my homepage. Now what we need to do is we need to connect this and ensure that there's a way to actually get into our CRM system. Now, the CRM system that we use is GoHighLevel. Okay, if you've got a GoHighLevel account, great. If you don't, you can use our link below to basically sign up. But essentially, you're just going to go to your calendar settings, and then you're going to take whatever calendar you have, click share, embed code, and copy over the embed code. We're going to then go into create anything, and we're going to basically just ask it very simply, create a contact us page that integrates with our CRM system and uses this calendar. Ensure the look and feel is in keeping with the home page design. Okay, and then I'm just going to paste my embed code, select Gemini 3 Pro, and just hit enter. And let's see what happens. So essentially what I was doing here was creating a site based on a, future-proof your paycheck with AI-powered second income. And so all of this copy you can see was written using our persuasive copywriting framework and process. And that's the exact step-by-step process we help all of our clients go through inside of our Skool Community. It's one of the first things we do, and it's available for literally $7. So if you want to join that, hit the link below in the description, and you can go through our entire copywriting process, which starts with target audience, creating your offer, then you go through AI copywriting, and then we get into designing the site with createanything.com. But right now, obviously, I'm just going to show you how to connect this to the CRM system. Okay, so you can see here that it's added our calendar next to a form, which is pretty weird. We don't want that, but you can see here that, the first step is actually connected. We can actually start taking names, surnames, numbers, but you can also see that it's actually, cut off here. So let's just go ahead and fix that. My CRM, it's asking for my CRM, so I'll tell it. My CRM is GoHighLevel. On the contact us page, please delete All right, we've got a contact us form, and now you can see that our website is hooked up. It's got a lead form that if anyone fills in is ultimately going to go in and book directly into this calendar over here. And then we can manage all of our leads inside of our pipeline right inside GoHighLevel. Okay, so that's a super simple way to essentially connect it to an actual live website, so you can get running, as soon as possible. Now, if you're interested, obviously, in designing a website like this, getting all of your pages set up, we teach the entire process from start to finish inside of our Skool Community, and that's available for literally $7 per month. And we also help you getting set up on GoHighLevel, getting all of your automations connected so you can ultimately start booking more qualified calls and start making money at the end of the day. All right, my friends, so vibe coding has literally taken over the marketing world. Now, we have been building vibe coded websites and sales pages for our clients pretty much every single day. It's unlocked so much productivity for us as a marketing agency. But one of the most important things to understand is that most vibe coded sites are just, again, beautifully designed visual posters, but they don't actually do anything. They don't have any power underneath them. They don't have any content on them. They don't have any automations connected to them that make them living, breathing entities. So what we teach inside of our Skool Community is how to actually get a digital home up and running as quickly as possible using AI, and then ultimately how to connect that to your CRM system so you can start getting new leads into your business and ultimately make more sales. So if you want to learn exactly how to do that, everything is laid out super simply inside of our Skool Community. And my friend, I hope to see you there. If you enjoy this video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.